Hello everyone. Birds, beaks and claws. Competency based questions. Question 1. In the table below, one of the bird has been listed under a wrong heading. Identify the bird. Probing bee, sunbird, woodpecker, hummingbird, hoopie. Birds of prey, eagle, vulture, hawk, kite. A. Woodpecker, B. Eagle, C. Sunbird, D. Hawk. Question 2. In which list all are perching birds? A. Crow, hen, woodpecker. B. Parrot, sparrow, crow. C. Vulture, crow, pigeon. D. Crow, pigeon, sparrow. Choose the right option. Question 3. Look at the image. Which bird has probably made these footprints? A. Parrot, B. Duck, C. Hen, D. Pigeon. Question 4. Here is a bird which does not have a beak. This bird feeds on flesh. The beak of this bird will look like which of the ones below? A, B, C, D or E? Question 5. Duck represents which alphabet? Choose the right option. Now let's look at the answers. 1. A. Woodpecker. It has a chiseling beak. 2. D. Crow, pigeon and sparrow. 3. B. Duck. 4. A. Piercing and tearing. 5. C. Thank you.